My name is Chad, and this is a guitar building channel. But today we're going to be talking about the shop and getting some light on the subject, namely me. Seriously though, I've been taking this YouTube thing pretty seriously for the past 3 months, and every video is a bit of an improvement, whether I'm working on my camera presence or my editing skills. And just last week I got a brand new computer that's more suitable for actual editing and doing some special effects with After Effects. So look for some improvements there. And I've also been doing a lot of research, trying to find out what's best for the viewer. And one of the top 2 things that turns a viewer off before anything else is the lighting. And I've got a lot of work to do in this garage. I've got some artificial lights up, and I've got some natural lighting that comes through the window here when the sun's up, and I can always open up the garage and get pretty decent lighting there. But if I'm going to be completely honest with you, a lot of my work is done after hours, after the sun's down. And when wintertime comes, the sun goes down a lot earlier, and I'm going to be losing daylight fast. Just look at the lighting I've got to work with. So today we're going to be looking at the capabilities of the TANBABY Deformable Light. But first, let's go ahead, take a tour of the shop, and see what lighting I'm working with now. Alright, so the sun is just now going down. Usually I've got a lot of natural light coming through the window, and I've always got the garage door that I can open. So the light is, that's the light, the one light that is organic to the garage. I replaced that with an LED light, and it puts out a lot of light. I also put an extension cord fixture, so I got 2 extension cords running out of that, so I can run it down to this work light, which also runs the fan. Whenever I turn the main lights on over there, it turns on that light, which turns on this light, the fan, and it follows the extension cord over to the other work light. So that was my first upgrade to the lighting here. I've also got a string of canned lights that are clamped to the rafters. And these are actually pretty poor lighting, but it provides something. So I've got this light, and I think it's 2 more lights that are strung upstairs to where my CNC machine is. So I've got lighting up there as well. And in fact, I guess I'll even take you up there to check it out. Now, I built this loft up here because I'd say this is about a 16-foot ceiling, maybe more. This was just a lot of wasted space, so I built a loft up here and got a ton more storage. Look, that's my boxes for all the shipping that I do. And over here I set up my CNC machine. The floor to ceiling ratio, or the floor to the ceiling height, is a little low. You can see this is me standing up straight. But here is where my CNC machine is, which is fine because I'm usually sitting on a stool while I watch it cut. Everything is a mess right now because I've got a ton of projects going on. Okay, so here's the aerial view of my workspace. Alright, then I've got the lights that go on and off with the garage door opener. I can also turn those on full time. And I'm thinking that this might be the best spot to go ahead and install the deformable light that I'm talking about. That's most definitely an improvement. For this corner at least. It's throwing a lot of shadows just because where I got it placed. Right up there behind the garage rafter. As you can see, I couldn't put it in the center on the garage door opener just because it wasn't built for an open or a wide-bodied light like this is. So I took off the can and the light bulb that I had in the fixture here and replaced that, so it's looking right down on my workspace and it's throwing light across the diagonal of the garage. I think if I have another one that I can install over here, then we'd have a pretty good solution, I think. But I think I'm really pleased with it so far. I paid $39 on Amazon. It was free shipping. So this thing came across my Facebook feed a couple times and I was interested, and then it popped up in the Amazon feed. I'm like, well, why not? I was doing some other shopping for some projects yesterday, and I go ahead and put that in my cart and got it today. It seems pretty well built. It's supposed to have I'm a little blind now. It's got a lifetime expectancy of 50,000 hours. It's got a 2-year warranty. It's rated at 6,000 lumens, which is another way of saying it's as bright as 6,000 candles. You can get a version that has a motion detector. This one does not. I didn't need one here anyway, but I might need one for out looking over my garage. The motion detector is broken on that one. It's 60 watts, and it's got a voltage rating of 85 to 265. I don't know if that means anything to anyone. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and link it in the description if you want to support the channel and help me get another light, or get other improvements for my video editing, or to help me buy guitar parts. Then go ahead and click buy on that. Or if you got anything else that you're going to buy off Amazon.com, go through that link and it'll be a cookie in your inbox. So if you buy whatever it is that you wanted that's not this, then I will get affiliate credit for that, and I would thank you immensely. Let's make some progress today with this neck plank.